Hello.
Hello all. As you know, we started a series called as ABHYAS. Before the Yudh, you have to do Abhyas, and every day we are coming up with the 5 most expected topics for prelims, UPSC Prelims 2023. Already I discussed 5 topics 1 to 5, and today I will be discussing 6 to 10. In that way, I will be coming up with 100 topics. The 5 topics which I discussed yesterday were a quick revision. It is merger of Cotton Corporation of India and Jute Corporation of India, and Burroughs, as well as Kiran Scheme, as well as Kindle Craft, as well as Iron Space. And today, 6 to 8, I am going to come up with the topic which is called as Order of Initial Movements of Gandhiji. How to remember? I am coming up with a trick. So, what is order of the initial movements of Mahatma Gandhi? The trick is cake for Rovalet. Cake for Rovalet. How to remember? Cake. Champaran. A. Ahmedabad. K.E. Keda. R. Rovalet. These are the first 4. Cake for Rovalet. These are the initial movements of Mahatma Gandhi. First one is C. Champaran Satyagraha 1917. First civil disobedience movement is Champaran. Ahmedabad mill strike. First hunger strike. Ahmedabad mill strike. First hunger strike in 1918. Next, K.E. Keda. Keda Satyagraha, first non-cooperation movement in 1919, which is R. Satyagraha against the Rovalet Act, which is first mass strike in 1919. These are the first initial movements made by Mahatma Gandhi. Cake for Rovalet, 1917, 1918, 1918, 1919. In the same way, Mission Indradhanush. How to remember the Mission Indradhanush? Target disease under Mission Indradhanush. 7 Indradhanush means rainbow. 7 diseases are there in the original Indradhanush. The 7 diseases are this. How to remember it? Ministry of Health provides pills to destroy tuberculosis. Ministry of Health provides pills, means tablets, pills to destroy tuberculosis. First ministry, M. Measles. H. Hepatitis. Provides pertussis, pills, polio. Ministry of Health provides pills to destroy diphtheria, D, and tuberculosis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, you have to remember the Mission Indradhanush. How to remember it? It is measles, hepatitis, pertussis, polio, diphtheria, tuberculosis. Now, this just I want to make you to remember and to by heart it or understand it. With thus, you should also remember that measles also combined with rubella. So, overall it is 7 diseases under tuberculosis. But exam point of view, what is important is intensified Mission Indradhanush. Already we have 3 intensified Mission Indradhanush. That is original Indradhanush, 7 diseases. Now, intensified Mission Indradhanush 1.0, intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0. Now, it is intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0. Intensified Mission Indradhanush 1 is mainly focused upon urban areas. Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0, Pan India, mainly to eradicate polio. Intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0, mainly after COVID who missed the vaccination drive because of COVID, for them to provide vaccination exclusive program came into existence, that is called as Intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0, has been rolled out to cover children and pregnant women missed routine immunization or vaccination during the COVID-19. Now, it is not the 7 diseases, they are covering 12 diseases under intensified Mission Indradhanush. This is important. This is exam point of view. This is concept, but this is exam point of view. I want to discuss about IMI 3.0, mainly to cover those children and those pregnant women who missed immunization because of COVID-19. This program started from 2022, provides vaccination against how many diseases? Not 7 diseases, 12 diseases. What are those? Diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, hepatitis B, meningitis and pneumonia, hemophilus, influenza type infections B, Japanese encephalitis, rotavirus vaccine, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, and measles rubella. These are the 12 diseases which are covered. Please make some shortcut and remember it. These are the 12 diseases which are covered under it. If time permits, I will make a shortcut and I will post in the Telegram channel. The Telegram link will be down in the description box. Tomorrow or today I will make one shortcut and I will be sending you. However, vaccination against Japanese encephalitis and Haemophilus influenza type B is being provided in selected districts of the country, but this is Universal Immunization Program IMI 3.0. Next topic is India's updated Conference of Parties 26. We had updated our intended nationally determined contributions in order to address climate change. You have to remember 4 points. Number 1, lifestyle for environment. The people should adopt a lifestyle which should be friendly to environment. It should not be destructible to the environment. Number 1. Number 2, the net zero target by 2030 by Indian Railways. By 2030, there should not be any carbon emissions by Indian Railways. Number 2. Number 3, reduce emissions intensity of GDP by 25% by 2030. By 2030, with respect to the GDP, 45% should be reduced. Of 2005 levels, carbon emissions should be reduced. That is the third target. Fourth, and which 50% cumulative non-fossil based electricity contribution or non-fossil based energy contribution should be provided by 2030. Means by 2030, 50% energy contribution should be from fossil and 50% should be from non-fossil. Very big target. And the last is by 2070, net zero emission. Net zero carbon emission is our targets. These are the 4 targets which are mentioned in Conference of Parties 26, whereby India submitted our intended nationally determined contributions to UNFCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. These are the 4 things which you have to remember. Coal gasification process, whereby the coal will be converted into sink gas. Coal gasification is a process in which coal is partially oxidized with air, oxygen, steam or carbon dioxide to form fuel gas or sink gas. This coal gasification is a method of transforming coal and water into sink gas, which is a combination of, remember this, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, methane as well as water vapor. So, coal gasification process, whereby the coal mixed with oxygen will be providing sink gas, which is sink gas is a combination of what? Sink gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane as well as water vapor. And the next is Doppler Radar. As we are coming near, the wave frequency will be increased. As I am going away, the wave frequency will be reduced. Based upon this, we can estimate the level of storm. We can estimate the distance of the storm. Now, Doppler Radar we are going to implement across India. Union Minister of Science and Technology, entire country will be covered by Doppler Weather Radar network by 2025, so that all the stations will be given information with respect to disasters which are upcoming like cyclones. To predict extreme weather events more accurately, we are going to make up Doppler Radar weather systems across all the stations so that we can predict the disasters. Doppler Radar is a specialized tracking system that uses a Doppler effect. As we come near, the waves will increase so that we can understand. The frequency will increase so that we can understand some storm is coming. So now across India, entire India is going to cover up with this Doppler Weather Radar network by 2025. These are the 5 topics which is 6 to 10 I discussed, and tomorrow I am going to come with 11 to 15. In the same way, I will be coming with 100 topics. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.